Hi guys, I'm just I'm just doing another video. I'm darkening my lights to make you guys see the F1 car better. So this is the F1 video and I'm gonna tell you more about it. This is Max Verstappen, other known as Red Bull's driver. You can also this is actually a Lego. You can also get them out. You can also get them out. You can also get them out, and this is how he looks. There. So, this is a F1 car. This is a really cool F1 car made by Lego. Lego, keep it up. You're really cool. So guys, this is the wheels. This is the stickers. Here, 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 and here on our serial sticker. So guys, if you want to get this product, go check in your local stores. So this is okay guys. Bye guys.